Imagine waking up and your entire day's repetitive work, like market research, is already done. No coding, no manual searching, and no stress. Let's be honest, automation used to be hard. You had to learn complex tools or hire a developer. But this changes everything. This is powered by the latest Aident AI model. I literally just told it, help me set up a command stream that sends me 5 of the latest and most popular AI tools via email every morning at 8 a.m. Boom. It understood every word. Look at the result. It didn't just search, it summarized the descriptions, found the official links, and formatted a beautiful report for me. It basically wrote the automation script instantly. Don't know what to build? Look at this library. It has tons of pre-built automation teams ready to use. Trip planning, competitor monitoring, meeting prep, just click and run. It connects over 250 apps like Gmail, Notion, and Slack using natural language. No more drag and drop nightmares. Stop wasting time. Let AI be your personal workforce. The link is in my bio. Try it now.